In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion. We rush from one task to another, rarely taking a moment for ourselves. But what if we told you that a simple shower could become your sanctuary? Mindful showering offers this possibility. It's about transforming a routine activity into a mindful experience. Mindful showering is about bringing your full attention to the present moment. You focus on the sensations of the water, the scent of the soap, and the sound of the droplets. By doing so, you cultivate a sense of awareness and presence. This practice allows you to escape the constant chatter of your mind. Instead of rushing through your shower, mindful showering encourages you to slow down. You savor each sensation, noticing the warmth of the water on your skin. This practice helps you to reconnect with your body and escape the worries of the day. Mindfulness isn't just a trendy concept, it's backed by science. Research has shown that mindfulness practices like mindful showering can have a profound impact on stress levels. Studies by the American Psychological Association have found that mindfulness can reduce the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. When you practice mindfulness, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This is the system responsible for the rest and digest response. It helps to lower your heart rate, relax your muscles, and calm your mind. By engaging in mindful showering, you're essentially giving your body a break from the constant stress response. Mindfulness also helps to increase your awareness of your thoughts and feelings. This allows you to observe them without judgment, which can be incredibly helpful in managing stress. Instead of getting caught up in negative thought patterns, you learn to simply notice them and let them go. Ready to transform your shower into a stress relief sanctuary? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, start with breathing. As you step into the shower, take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times, letting go of any tension. Next, engage the sense of touch. Feel the warmth of the water cascading over your skin. Notice the sensation of the soap as you lather it between your hands. Pay attention to the texture of your hair as you shampoo and condition it. Then, listen to the sounds. Tune into the sounds of the water hitting the shower floor, the gentle hiss of the faucet, and any other ambient noises. Instead of letting your mind wander, focus on the rhythm and melody of the sounds. Finally, be present. Throughout your shower, if you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to the present moment. Don't judge yourself for getting distracted. It's a natural part of the process. Simply acknowledge the thought and return your attention to the sensations of the shower. Section 4. Beyond relaxation, the psychological perks of mindful showering. Mindful showering offers more than just a relaxing experience. It also provides numerous psychological benefits. By cultivating present moment awareness, you can reduce anxiety and improve your overall well-being. The practice of mindfulness helps you develop a greater sense of self-compassion. When you're constantly stressed, it's easy to get caught up in negative self-talk. Mindful showering provides a space for you to quiet those critical voices and treat yourself with kindness. This can lead to increased self-esteem and a more positive self-image. Moreover, mindful showering can enhance your creativity and problem-solving abilities. By calming your mind and allowing it to wander freely, you create the ideal conditions for innovative thinking. Many people find that their best ideas come to them in the shower, and mindful showering can amplify this effect. Section 5. Making it a habit. Integrating mindful showers into daily life. The beauty of mindful showering is that it's a simple practice that can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Start by incorporating it into your routine once or twice a week. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the frequency. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to have a perfect mindful shower every time. The key is to approach the practice with a sense of curiosity and non-judgment. Even a few moments of mindful awareness can make a difference. You can also enhance your mindful showering experience by incorporating elements like aromatherapy or calming music. Experiment with different scents and sounds to find what works best for you. Remember, mindful showering is a personal journey, so feel free to customize it to your liking.